Welcome to a video from thedigital-lifestyle.com. We have a new Windows 10 build to look at for Windows Insiders. This is 17751 for Windows Insiders on the fast ring. First thing to notice, there's no watermark down here on the bottom right hand side. Does that mean this is the final build? Well, Microsoft say no. It could be, but what they say is they're the beginning of the phase of checking the final code. So we could get a few more builds. We could stick with this one and get incremental fixes to it before it gets released. So there's a couple of different options, but we definitely know it's not the final code. So I don't think you can stick this on your machine and there'll be no other changes. There probably will be some changes. And the other thing to note with this build as well is this. We've now got an official name for it. You see here on the Microsoft blog, they've announced the name of the next Windows 10 update, which is currently Redstone 5, but it's going to be called the Windows 10 October 2018 update, just like the previous build was called the April 2018 update. So we now got a name, no watermark, so you can see we're getting closer. So there's not a massive amount of changes. There's no new features as such because this is getting close to the end. But look at this fairly impressive list of fixes. So they've fixed the issue that shutting the PC down would cause your machine to crash, which was in the last few builds. And then they fixed all these other ones. So they fixed wallpaper settings, and they fixed issues with going from battery power back to mains power when you're on Windows Update. They fixed some DPI issues. They've previously fixed the Windows Mixed Reality Controller issues, so they really are getting closer with this release. So I see a lot of fixes. There's just a few known issues, down to 3 now. There was one of them is a new one there, which is clicking on web links in PWA apps, such as the Twitter app. Doesn't open the browser in this build, so they're working on a fix on that. Something I noticed on HoloLens actually, which has a similar build, just a couple of numbers down. There's still an issue with narrator and the ease of access as well, but all fairly minor issues. Maybe the Twitter one a bit more major, but I'm sure they'll fix that for a future build. So as you can see, we're getting close to the release of the Windows 10 October 2018 update, known as Redstone 5, and this is looking pretty good. I find it pretty stable, these recent builds. Then we jump across to 19H1 builds, which will be out probably April next year, and I've already got some videos of those on our YouTube channel, and I'll bring you more as they get released. We've also got videos of the new HoloLens builds as well. So thanks for watching this video. I'll see you more on thedigital-lifestyle.com, at ISDixon on Twitter, and on our YouTube channel.